Good morning everyone and welcome back to the vlog. We are back home now and we are heading over to Torrey Pines Collision to pick up all the parts that we dropped off last week for the S14. All right, so we have our front bumper for the S14. This is a Gretti front lip for a JDM bumper. That just got finished. The rear trunk, which I screwed up drilling in, just got refinished. That was a bad mistake. And then our front bumper, which I showed you guys, Patrick just got it polished up and it's about ready to take home. So we're picking all this stuff up. Apparently a lot of you guys are calling Pat asking for some work, so shout out to everyone going to Torrey Pines Collision. He loves doing fiberglass bodywork stuff, so be sure. I just talked to Pat. I was like, I think I'm gonna send my 370Z here because I don't want to just cut the rear end of that car off, and after Chelsea ran in the back of the 370, it's really messed up. So I'm gonna try to bring it here to see if you guys can bring it back to look. And all you guys do a bunch of crashed work, so let's see if you can fix.
We can handle it.
Okay, so we'll be back here soon to drop that car off, but again, big thank you to Pat, and they do this stuff so fast. And our intake manifold just got finished too. So we have that, and now this can finally go back on the car and we can finally get going on the SR20. Also, I think I should probably mention that this 4Runner is not my 4Runner. This is a friend's car that I borrowed because I didn't want to put these pieces in the back of the truck without blankets and have any of the paint get screwed up. So thank you, Tim, for letting me borrow your car. Today is Sabrina's birthday, so we don't have too much time to spend here at the shop today, but it's really cool to see this intake manifold in black. Calvin was right, it does look a lot better. I also ordered a hose kit for all the hoses in this car because the hoses that were left on this thing were actually super just disgusting and needed to get replaced. So I found the only hose kit that was available at the moment. So we got that ordered. We have the intake manifold gasket finally in. You want to talk about how much you missed me when I was out for
I missed him so much. I didn't play Among Us because you weren't here, but it's fine.
You didn't play, I learned how video games without me?
We're broken up, so it doesn't matter. We're on a break.
We're on break, but we're so cordial.
Yeah. We
all the guys in Florida were asking about you.
Were they?
Yeah.
I should have went. But next time, next year, there's a whole nother Christmas that I could show up at.
There's a whole nother Vlogmas you can be a part of out there.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. We also came home to the S14 Brid seat brackets. So I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling all this stuff so we can get the seats in the car for real. And Calvin's making some headway on this intake manifold gasket. Oh, don't forget your clamps. You're about to forget your clamps. Don't forget your clamps. You almost forgot your clamps.
I'm gonna leave your...
You almost forgot your clamps. Don't forget your clamps.
You know what I have to say about that?
Did you get a perm? Did you color your hair?
No, my hair
looks like a little bit curly. Shirley Temple, you ever heard of her? Kind of look like her.
You ever heard of...
The shop a little early today because it is Sabrina's birthday. And I need to go home, one, to celebrate her birthday, but two, I need to set up her birthday present, which I'm really excited about. It's a surprise vacation trip that she's been wanting to go on for a pretty long time. I set it up with a bunch of different little clues around the house that she has to find the gift, which I'm really excited for her to do. And also, I feel exhausted. I think it's just because of this Florida trip. We just did so many nights that I didn't get much sleep, and my body's just still exhausted for the past 5 days. Or it's just the fact that we're on day like 22 of Vlogmas and I'm just exhausted from it. So my energy's been a little bit low and I was kind of sluggish around the shop today and really didn't get much done.
Now say this out loud, all for the crowd. If it weren't for TJ, I'd live in this city. Now everybody watch me become giddy. I knew it, Flirty. A trip to New York City. Oh, it's a flight confirmation. Oh, it is. That's awesome. I knew it, team. I didn't think you'd ask that.
Do you know what hotel that is?
Oh, this is in front of Central Park.
It is in front of Central Park.
Awesome. When did we all leave?
Sabrina's gift, if you guys couldn't tell, was a scavenger hunt that I made her go around the house and figure out riddles and clues, which eventually led her to a gift that was a trip for me and her to go to New York City in the next 2 to 3 weeks and spend some time there. That's Sabrina's favorite city, and we've never got to go there and just vacation and just enjoy it. We're gonna be doing that trip very, very soon. I'm really excited about it, and I hate to break this to you guys, but if you haven't figured it out, tomorrow's gonna be the last day of Vlogmas. It's been a pretty long go, and I'm proud of how long we've been able to keep this going. Yesterday's vlog and today's vlog were definitely shorter than I would like them to be, and I will make sure that tomorrow's vlog is proper. I'll do my best to hit that 20 to 30 and really give you guys something to snack on until it's over. But thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you made it this far, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out and keep moving forward.
Let it snow, let it snow.